Alright, so I want to do a quick video on adjustment on the clutch. This is a 2020 John Deere 2020. I put out a clutch video last week and it was not correct, so I'm going to take that down. But this, so the manual says to loosen these. Okay, now it's loose and you want to bring it until it starts to pull away from the clutch. So when this starts to pull in, that's when you want to, you can see the movement right there. You want to stop, and then you need 2.5 turns. And you can do this with the, I just happen to have it apart. Okay, so 1, 2.5, and then lock that in. So I'm going to do that the whole way around, and we should be in a good position. The throw out bearing adjustment, I will put the rod adjustment on here shortly. All right, I'm back to adjusting this clutch now that it's all back together, and the book says you should have 0.095 inches of slop. I have more than that, but this adjustment cable, you adjust it in to pull it closer. It feels like it's gonna snap, so I'm leaving it with that. So whenever my foot's off, it's not gonna spin the throw out bearing. I'll push it down and it will be on. I don't think it's super critical, but I'm not going to break this trying to adjust it to that crazy measurement. So that's it. I hope this video helps you. If it does, please subscribe to my channel because that helps me and I appreciate it. Thanks for watching.